Okay. Uh, Again, thank you so much for joining today's session, folks. So as Chandra is asking, how long will this session be today and all? So folks, as you know, this is the free webinar, right? We are not charging anything, just we are delivering the knowledge to you, right? So just because of some emergency, folks, today we will stop it, or today we will, what we say, close this session 12. Okay. And tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow we are planning to start afternoon, 7 p.m. Is it okay to everyone, folks? Hope, or maybe 9. What you will suggest? Please type in the chat box. Yeah, 7 is okay. Pratham is saying, what about others, folks? Because 1 or 2 hours is not enough, guys, because it is practical session, right? So we need some extra knowledge, or we can say some assignments we have to provide you. So today's recording also we will provide you. And apart from that, yeah, 7 is okay. Thank you, Rajesh. And apart from that, you need to practice, right? And as you know, today's agenda, we are planning to start or deploy a dynamic web hosting, right? So if someone is coming from the what we can call freshers background or non-IT background, guys, so definitely they have no idea what is the static website and all. So that's why little bit lengthy we are doing that. Okay. And after that, we will plan what we have to do. Yeah. Okay. So uh, let's get started, folks. So before my introduction and all, just I need to ask you guys, what's your name and what we can call any experience in IT, or you are from the non-IT, please type in the chat box. So in that way, I can start my session. Okay. And then we are coming to the part of trainers understanding and all. Okay. Trainers introduction, and we are moving to the AWS cloud. Okay. Freshers, thank you. BCA second year, good. Yes, guys, everyone, because chat is energy for trainers, right? So if all are active in the chat box, so trainer can add more and more detail from their end, right? So that's why please respond in the chat box. And I'm assuming that my sessions could be a two-way communication. It is not one-way traffic, right? That's why. Okay, BTech third year, good. BCS third year, BCF, okay. Yeah, so in short, lots of the peoples are from the IT background, right? Yeah, whatever registered student is too much. I think 40 plus students are registered, folks, but I don't know what happened in India. Only 9 people joined, including me, right? So no problem. We'll provide you the link in the recording links in the group. And tomorrow, folks, it's 7 p.m. we will start session. Okay. So today, some requirement we have to tell you that you need to prepare and make sure it could be ready before tomorrow's session. So it will work for tomorrow's practical. Yeah. Make sense, everyone, folks? Please type in the chat box, see if you are clear. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Wow. Good. Pratham are too active. Yes, Vipul also. Okay. Got it, Rajesh. Understand. Okay, folks. So, as you can understand, or you know that lots of institutions are providing you thousands of YouTube channels are available about the cloud and all. But why info-dell, right? So that's why, folks, first you have to understand about your trainer who is delivering the sessions, right? That person is capable or not. That few things you need to understand. That's why we started trainers introduction inside that, right? So as I am saying here, guys, welcome to this session. Okay. And we are moving to the next part, trainers introduction. And as you know, what is the agenda? We'll start with trainer introduction part, right? Then we are moving to the what is cloud. Today, we will try to complete these 2 points, right? Trainer introduction as well as what is cloud. And basis on that, we are giving you some assignments, folks, right? So you can create your free tier account, and then tomorrow, 7, we will connect again and we will understanding this point, guys, static and dynamic web hosting, as well as through the AWS services, how to host that, right? So we are not laying that right now. Coming to the part, as you can see, my name is Mohammed Zubair, and I am a special instructor for the AWS Restart program, guys. Okay, and right now you can see lots of sessions are delivered till now, 10,000 plus of 100% participant average rate and all. And I am a corporate trainer also, guys. So you can see these are the certifications detail what I have completed till now. As I am saying, I have a 13 plus years of experience, right? So definitely multiple certifications completed in that journey and all, right? So you can see my certification started with a very basic support role, guys, right? Yeah, you can see diploma in computer and hardware and networking, first one. Then started career with Wipro and got the chance to complete MCITP part based on Pune and Mumbai locations. And then CCA also completed, guys. And after that, before Corona, I can say I started Google Educator. And in that also, in that Corona, I started my career or move my career to the AWS part, guys, for totally. And from that, from last 4 to 5 years, I am inside the AWS job roles, right? And inside that, most important thing, guys, I am a authorized instructor. Yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah, you can see multiple certifications I have, right? So in that, all certification, guys, this is most important. Yeah, this one, authorized instructor part. So whatever institutions are providing you the certification, guys, most of the trainers are certified, but they are only AWS global certification they have, right? But apart from that, I have some authorized instructor certification also, right? So to complete this certification, guys, some organization need to sponsor you. And my sponsor organization is Deloitte. So obviously we can understand, yes, that the trainer is capable to handle that load and all, because we have to deliver the sessions to the AWS team. Then AWS will decide, or the AWS will authorize that, yeah, he is ready to capable the delivering the sessions and all. Right. So these are the some little bit of information, guys. And while talking about the experience, I started my career with tech support, then moving to the system support engineer, then administrator, and finally, I am in consultant, AWS consultant, as well as trainer, corporate trainer, folks, we can say. Okay. Yeah. So these are the little bit of information about trainer, guys. Don't worry, guys. Dell, whatever your name is there, no worry. Whatever things we are discussing here right now, we started a introduction part, right? So all the things we will give you in a deep dive way. Yeah. If you have experience in whatever certifications you have, it is very good. No problem. Okay. Everything will discuss right now. Just we started a session, folks, right? Introduction is started. So that's why before end of the session, or maybe tomorrow before end of the sessions, you will clear all your doubts. Okay, because we have one special PPT. That PPT will give you the idea how many certifications are provided by the AWS, what are the costing, from where you have to complete that. Everything is mentioned, guys. Okay. Yeah. So apart from this, guys, I am a corporate trainer. So you can see uh, some trainings are completed till now, but one of the famous training which is completed in BMN Bangalore College, guys. This is the autonomous college. And Chennai also we completed a couple of trainings. Then AWS Discovery Day and all. So this is just a glimpse of it. Yeah. And apart from that, guys, you can see that lady is Maureen. She is Vice President of AWS Training and Certification part, guys. And I got the certification award, or we can say Trainer Trailblazer Award from her. Right. So that is also one of the big achievement in my life, guys, because maybe few peoples are there who will get the award from the Vice President of AWS, because she is from the AWS core team, right? So these are the some understanding about the trainer, folks, right? So hope it is clear to everyone, folks. Yeah. So just for the understanding, thank you, Chandu. Guys, you can use chat box if you need to ask something till now, but just an introduction part. So that's why I added here. Okay. Yeah. Now, coming to the today's topic. Before starting a today's topic, guys, one small question. Because my sessions are based on question answers part, right? So then only I can say, yeah, all the participants are understanding what we are delivering, what we are discussing. Okay, so just tell me, folks, what do you think about the AWS? AWS cloud. I'm not talking about AWS e-commerce website. Okay, I'm talking about AWS cloud. Yeah. So please type in the chat box, folks. What do you think about AWS cloud? Good. Okay. Yes. Everyone, please respond inside the chat box. What do you think? Because in that way, we can guide you. That's why. Cloud platform. Okay. Good. Yeah, it is storage acceptable. Till this time, I'm just opening, yeah, whiteboarding because I have, yes, that experience also. Most of the time, I am using a whiteboarding to deliver you the session for better understanding. Okay. Uh-huh. Very good, Vipul. Okay. On demand. Right now, just I started that PPT, right? No, not an issue. If you have the idea, Charan, it is very good. Thank you. Okay, good. Wow, lots of active participants are there, folks. Okay, so coming to the part, as we are discussing, folks, AWS, Amazon Web Services, right? Yeah, Amazon Web Services. What is the Amazon Web Services, folks? It is nothing but what? Service provider. Okay. And which type of service it is providing, guys? It is providing a cloud-based service, right? Yeah. Let's suppose take a common example or layman example. Most of the time, you will see, guys, in my sessions, we are using a layman example for quick and better understanding, right? So let's suppose we are going with Airtel, right? Yeah. If I need to purchase a SIM card, yeah. If we need to purchase a SIM card, right? So what we are doing, we are selecting Airtel, or maybe we are going for Geo, or maybe we are going for Vodafone, right? Or Idea, whatever it is. So these all are nothing but what, guys? Service provider, right? Yeah. Which type of service related with a calling, messaging, or internet type of service they are providing, right? So same is happening here, guys. AWS, what is the Amazon Web Services? This is nothing but what? A cloud service provider. Yes. Yes, people. Correct. So this is the cloud service provider. So once we are talking about the cloud service provider, folks, so one thing is uh, not in the picture, right? Just like some are saying, yes, it is providing a compute part of services. Yeah, we'll discuss what is compute in a deep dive way, folks. No worry, right? It will provide a compute, then it will provide a network, then it will provide a security. I'm just typing a what we say major type of services, guys, in one service. Just like we are talking about the compute. So inside the compute, some subtopics also available inside this. Correct. Very good, Pratham. Security, database, right? And compute network, database, storage, right? So in short, 200 plus type of services provided by the AWS, guys, right? Yeah. All the services are cloud based, right? So that's why not only one type of service, guys, multiple type of services are provided by the AWS, right? Yeah, cloud service provider. Now, lots of the features are there. Why we have to select a cloud, right? Why we have to move to the cloud? Lots of the examples are there. But what we are giving to my participants or to my students, guys, simple. Let's suppose if you need to start a business, right? So first, what we have to do, we have to focus on space, right? That is a very big task in today's generation, right? We have to go with lots of options and all while talking about the space, right? Lots of investment we can say, right? So if we need to start a project, yeah, we need to purchase some space and we have to take care that space, whatever space we are selecting, it should be in a market, right? And then advance, then monthly cost before starting. Right now my what we say project is not started, but again we are spending lots of amount, right? So instead of on-prem, we can say, in short, right? Yeah, maximum from the IT background, so they will understand on-premises is nothing but what, which is available in front of you guys, which is for you, right? You can easily access that. That is called on-prem. Instead of on-premises, everyone is going for the cloud, right? Yeah, lots of features we have. Why, how, where, right? We'll discuss one by one. So in short, we are not spending the amount to purchase a space before starting a business, because space is provided by the cloud folks whenever we need. Let's suppose I want to start my project on Mumbai, right? So just select a Mumbai and my whatever services need to start, we can start in the Mumbai region. Yeah, what is the region and all, we'll talk, guys. No worry. Just I'm giving you the overview. So these are the most usable benefit. That's why, guys, all are shifting their infrastructures, right? Yeah, I'll type here on-prem infrastructure. Yeah, on-premises infrastructure to the cloud infrastructure, right? So maybe after a few years, guys, you can see everything is in cloud only. Yeah. Cloud infrastructure. Okay. So that's why, guys, we are trying to understand or learning what is the cloud and how to use that. What is the method and all. Okay. So coming to the PPT and understand a technical definition of cloud, guys. What is the cloud and where we have to use it. So yeah, you can see here few things. If someone is asking you, hey, what is the cloud? So what is the important point, guys? What do you need to deliver? It is on-demand delivery. Okay. What is the on-demand delivery? You have to tell them your requirement, right? Yeah, I'll come to that point and I'll giving you the idea, guys, how you can uh, send a demand to the AWS, right? And which type of demand we can put compute power, databases, right? Storage, applications. In short, 200 plus of IT types of demand we can send to the AWS, right? Other IT resources. Then what happened? Once we are sending this demand, guys, then what we have to know, we have to understand it could be accessed through the internet only, right? Just like if you need to send a message to your friend through the WhatsApp, internet compulsory require. Then that WhatsApp software application should be available in your mobile. Then only you can send. Same is happening while putting a demand, guys. Internet is required and we need a account inside the cloud. Yeah, that account is called maybe a business account or maybe a free tier account, right? Yeah, so we'll talk about the free tier account because it is useful while using AWS services, right? So in short, it is on-demand delivery for all the types of IT resources, in short. And to sending this demand, guys, internet is required, account is required inside the cloud, and it is charged pay as you go module, pay as you go pricing module, guys. Whatever we are using, only that much we have to pay, right? Yeah. Let's see this all the things in the whiteboarding for better understanding, folks. Yeah. So coming to the whiteboard, and let's suppose this is on-prem and this is the cloud. Okay. So I need to start or hosting my website for my deployment method. So I need a server. We'll talk about, guys, what is the server and all. Yeah. And we need some network devices. So I'm typing one network devices, that is a router. Switches also require, but just I'm typing very few for better understanding. Okay. Yeah. And some storage is required. Uh, Hard disk, for example, we can say. Yeah. So some type of hard disk and database. Yeah. Database. This is the database, for example. Yeah, let's suppose this is the common thing what is required, right? So in on-premises, folks, my service is not started. I am just planning to start these services, and you can see I'm spending first in space, right? Yeah, I'm spending the amount to purchase a space. First expenditure on spaces, locations, we can say in short, right? Locations, office space, right? Then we have to invest for the infrastructure, right? Inside the infrastructure, guys, I need to purchase a server, right? Yeah, infrastructure is nothing but what? Server, router, network devices, then some storage devices to store our data, then DB, right, etc. Right now, project is not started, services are not started, but we are investing lots of amount, right? Yeah, in the infrastructure. Right now, AWS is saying instead of that, right? Instead of that, same type of services also we are giving you, but in pay as you go model, right? So how we can put, let's suppose I need a server and that server capacity is 1 GB of RAM and 1 CPU, for example. So I'm just drawing here, guys. Yeah, let's suppose I'm typing my server requirement is 1 GB of RAM and 1 core CPU and some hard disk. For example, 30 GB of hard disk I need, right? Yeah, 30 GB of hard disk. This is my requirement. Okay, yeah. So first, before starting this business, guys, you need to purchase this requirement. You need to purchase this server, right? You don't know it will work or not working, how many users will connect, you don't know, but you need to invest, right? Let's suppose till 1 month your website started. Okay, you deploy a website through this server, router, storage and all. Until 1 month, no clients are connected, guys. Then also you have to pay because already you purchased this infrastructure, right? Yeah. But while talking about the cloud, guys, so it is pay as you go model, right? Yeah. Whenever we are using right now, just I need my charges will start from now. No need to provision from 1 year back or maybe 1 month back, 8 days back. Why? Because it is pay as you go model. And we can say quick, we can send a request. If that services are available, then we will get that. Right. So couple of features are there, guys, why we have to go for that. So important concept. If someone will ask you, hey, what is the cloud computing? It's not about AWS, guys. It's about the we can say Azure as well as GCP as well as whatever cloud service providers we have. It's about everyone, not about only one, right? Yeah. So if someone will ask you, hey, what is the cloud service provider, right? Or what is the definition, technical definition of that? So simple, you can say, yeah, it is on-demand delivery method. Okay. Yeah. Which will provide you IT type of resources. Some examples like compute, databases, storage, networking, etc. Right? Yeah. Now, important concept, guys. Once we are putting my request, right? Let's suppose in on premises, I need to go to the shop to purchase this server, right? Now, If I need to purchase this server inside the cloud, then what I need to do? I need to send a request to AWS team, guys, on demand delivery method, right? I need to put my order just like we are using right now to online orders, Swiggy, Zomato, or multiple platform, guys, right? So same, we need to put my order. If it is available, Amazon will provide us, right? So without account, it is not possible, guys. Okay, so we have two types of account basically. Multiple type we have, but I'm typing here most usable. First is free tier account. Second is developers account, guys. And third, business account, right? Yeah. As it is mentioned, free tier account. What is the limit? Anyone, guys? If you know, please type in the chat box. Anyone from the audience? Because most of the users are IT background and they know already what is AWS and all. Maybe little bit idea. Yeah. 80 hours, I guess, EC2 per month. Good, Charan. Good try. What about others, folks? Practice mode. Okay, Pratham saying, understand. What about others, folks? Please type in the chat box. Good. Nice audience. Okay, so simple. Free tier account is based on 1 year validity, guys. Yeah, 1 year. And every service, whatever services we are discussing, just like 200 plus services. So every service have a limit. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Every service have a limit, right? Every service have a limit. For example, yeah, EC2 750 hours or S3 storage 5 GB like this. Yeah. And after a free limit charges, right? Yeah. Just like if we are recharging from 400 rupees, for example. So we are getting daily 1.5 GB internet, free calling, but 1.5 GB internet. But if it is complete, so it is coming to the normal speed, right? Browsing, or we can say processing, waiting like this, right? So every service, guys, whatever services are there, all the services are have a free limit, right? Yeah, once you complete that free limit, then only it will comes to the charges mode, right? So whatever services we are discussing in this free webinar, guys, in that free webinar, whatever services we are discussing, I am giving you the idea, guys, what is the free limit and what is the charges limit, right? From where you will get a charges, that also you will get, right? So easily you will understand, hey, Zubair is saying, right, this is the free limit. If we cross that limit, then only it will convert into charges, right? So I'll give you that idea, guys, no worry. Yeah, but for understanding, free tier account is for 1 year, but we have some limitations, right? If we are understanding that limitation, then no charges. If we are crossing that limit, then only we have to pay charges. Yeah, so that's why, guys, we need a free tier account. Okay, I'll give you the idea how to create that free tier account for the practice purposes. And I'm sending in the group, guys. My sessions are based on practical mode, right? So requesting to everyone, kindly create a free tier account. I'll give you the idea, entire idea, no worry. Now, coming to the next one, developers account. Developers account have, guys, $29 per month, right? Yeah. If you are creating the account based on developers mode, so it is saying it is a $29 per month. Okay. Yeah. And if you are creating a business account, so business account have uh, starting amount is $100 per month. Sorry. right? Based on the support plan, which type of support you need from the AWS, maybe working hours time period, and that is also chat and email support, or maybe some different type of support, what do you want? Basis on that, they will charge you guys, right? So I'm repeating that thing, guys. What we have to do, if we have to use a services in AWS cloud, if we need to practice how to start the server, how to use database, how to start or how to work with network, or how to work with storage, whatever it is in on-premises IT resources. So first I need any type of account. But right now I am suggesting to everyone, guys, go with a free tier account, right? Yeah, if you are going with free tier account, it will work fine. Yes. Yeah. So I'm taking a small pause here, folks. Till now, what we discuss, is it clear to everyone? Or any confusion, or any what we say, some extra examples require, folks, all of you? Yeah, just we understand. Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you so much. Yes, good, Pratham. Appreciated. How can we create that free tier account? Right, Rajesh. That is a part of sessions. I'll give you the idea. Yeah. So thank you, guys. Yeah. So right now, and no worry, we will send that recordings in that WhatsApp group, guys. And if you want, like you can see in the WhatsApp group, yesterday I posted some AWS cloud infrastructure related job role, right? And that is for freshers, 0 to 1 year experience person, guys. So that also we will discuss tomorrow, right? And in that group, guys, free of cost, I am pasting that whatever links or whatever recommendations we have related with a job support, guys, right? So if you want, you can continue in that group. Otherwise, no completion, you can leave that also, not an issue, right? If you want, yeah, it is helpful and all, no problem, you can continue. Yeah, and share with others also, so others also get the benefit. Yeah, tomorrow we'll talk about this particular post, what AWS is providing till 0 to 1 years persons, okay, experienced person, or maybe a freshers, we can say. Now coming to the part, in short, we understand we are learning AWS cloud, right? And on premises, to start IT resources, if I need to go within cloud, we need an account, right? Some type of account, that is called a free tier account, we can say, right? Now, how to create that free tier account? We are coming to that point. Yeah. So I'm typing here how to create, yeah, free tier account. Mm. Yeah. So guys, three things compulsory you have to ready. You need to ready with three things. Till what are you taking the lecture? Max to max 12, guys, because today also we have some emergency call with other clients. So 12 we will wind up. Yeah. And tomorrow, as you recommending, or maybe I am posting a pulling what we say content in AWS WhatsApp, sorry, AWS WhatsApp group. So you can add your whatever comments are there. Most of the time, we are planning to start at 7 p.m. Or if you are recommending, we can start with 9 also. No problem for me. Yeah. Now coming to the point, guys, to create a free tier account, first understanding, yeah, what do you need? You need a Gmail ID. Okay. Yeah. Email account compulsory require. Yeah. Email account, right? So create a Gmail ID. I am giving you the uh, example, guys. What you can do, first write your name. For example, I'm using some name from the participants. Yeah, for example, Rajesh. So you can write it Rajesh, and then today's date. Okay. So 12/1/25 at gmail.com, for example. Right. So create account with this example. So what happened? As I am saying here, guys, account is useful only for 1 year. Rajesh, just hold down couple of more minutes, right? As I'm saying, in that group also, I'm sending the pooling request, right? So based on majority, we'll start. Yeah. So please focus today's. Thank you. Yeah. So how to create free tier account? First requirement, you need a email ID, guys. And how to create like this? Why I'm saying you have to go with already you have your Gmail account, but why I'm saying to create this type of account? Because your free tier account is only for 1 year, right? After that 1 year, guys, forget about this email ID, forget about your AWS account, create another one. Okay, so that's why kindly go with a temporary email ID, guys, but it should useful, right? It could be in an active mode. Yeah, because communication is happened through the email ID only. Yeah, so that's why first Gmail account is required. Second, you need a mobile number. Already everyone have. So make sure one number compulsory require. And finally, guys, yeah, credit slash debit card, right? Why? Because Amazon will deduct 2 rupees. Yeah, 2 rupees from your card. Okay, and it is returned to your card also. Just for the authentication purpose, they are deducting a 2 rupees from your card. Okay, so maybe someone is new inside that group, guys, or maybe first time they are attending the cloud and all. So they are thinking, hey Zubair, we are adding our credit and debit card detail, right? So just like subscription, right? Just like lots of OTT platforms are working with subscriptions, right? Once you are typing detail of your credit card, debit card, automatically it is going on until unless you will stop, right? So it is not like that, guys. AWS is not adding based on subscription method. They are saying once your month is completed, you need to pay. Amazon will not forcing you, or directly they are not deducting a amount from your credit or debit card, what you are adding, right? So it is 100% safe, guys. Don't take attention. You are adding your detail of credit card or debit card. So maybe some amount will deduct. It is not possible because it is a billing generation method. First bill will generate, then only you need to pay. If you are not paying, Amazon will send you some notifications. Maybe first time, second time, third time, and then after that, they will close your account. They will suspend your account, terminate your account. This account will not in use. So whatever services is running inside the account, everything will delete. Right? That is the thing, guys. So no need to worry about how to create the, if we are adding the credit card, debit card, so maybe some amount will deduct. It is not like that. Only first time for the verification purpose, they will deduct a 2 rupees basis on Indian charges, guys. Okay. Yeah. Right. Very good. Good question, Rajesh. That's why I'm saying please be on active mode in the chat box. Right. Yeah. So what is the concept? You can use anyone's credit or debit card. But one thing should be clear, guys. Okay. What is that? Yeah. Credit slash debit card. Uh, Credit slash debit card address and account address should same, right? Yeah, just make it whatever card you are using. Let's suppose that card is belongs to your friend and your friend in XYZ area, right? So that area you can write it in account creation address box. That's it. If both address are changed, card address is changed, because that card 2 rupees is deducting for authentication, right? So if card address is changed and whatever you are typing for account creation address is changed, then what happened? It is not match, right? So definitely Amazon will send you a email in your registered email, whatever email you are using. Hey engineer, I am not finding that address are correct. So kindly send me a correct address detail. Maybe a electricity bill, maybe gas bill or whatever is required based on the government rules, guys. Right? Yeah. So whatever, no problem. You can use anyone's credit or debit card. Make sure while creating the account, whatever they will ask you to type your address while creating the account. So at the time only, you need to paste your credit card or debit card address, whatever it is, not an issue. And mobile number also same for multiple account, guys. Only email ID could be different for every year's account. As I'm saying, I am using AWS from last 5 years, right? So every year I am using some different email ID. Mobile number and credit card, debit card is same. Okay. Yeah. So folks, hope everyone is understanding, right? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay, perfect. Got it. So guys, today we are stopping here today's session just for our introductory session, we can say. And make sure before joining tomorrow's class, guys, this detail should be ready with you. And kindly connect with laptop. So we will get a more hands-on experience, right? Don't worry, Dell. Tomorrow we'll discuss this all the things. Just ready with these three parts, right? Three ingredient we can say. We'll discuss tomorrow practical way. I am giving the time to create that also because if someone is facing the issue, so we can complete that, right? Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much for joining today's session, guys. I'll send all the requirement detail in that group. Okay. So please be on active. Yeah. If any questions, you can raise your queries. Otherwise, you can left today's session, guys. Thank you. Most welcome, guys. Most welcome. Yeah. I'm stopping screen sharing, guys. Okay. So, okay. Most welcome, guys. So I'm closing today's session. Tomorrow we'll connect based on the timing. Okay. So please add your valuable feedback inside the group. Okay. Yeah. Bye.